Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. I'm Mamta Gumbar on the behalf of Indian Online School is here. So everyone, we all know that our Olympiad exams are approaching. So that's why we are here to discuss one of the sample paper for grade 4. Number of questions, total questions will be 35, in which 10 questions of logical reasoning will be there. 10 questions of mathematical reasoning will be there. 10 questions of everyday mathematics will be there. And 5 questions or achiever section will be there. In a logical reasoning, every question will carry 1 more mark, in which patterns, alphabet set, coding, decoding, ranking, mirror image, metrical shapes, embedded figure, direction sense, possible combination, analogy, clock, and calendar will be there. Second section is our mathematical reasoning. This section will consist of 10 questions. Every question will carry 1 mark, in which number names, number sense, computational operation, fractions, measurement, geometry, data handling, symmetry will be there. In a third section is the everyday mathematics. It is just like every question will carry 1 mark. It is syllabus will be same as the section 2. In a last section will be of achiever section. It is a very important section because the question in this will be little tricky, and in this every question will carry 2 markers. So that's why we have to take care of these type of questions. Okay, so every question is important, but yes, no doubt in achiever sections, it will be double of the another question. So that's why we have to take care of more. Okay, so let's coming to my first question. That question will be, how many triangles are there in the given figure? Okay, so for that, I will tell you one thing. Let's suppose I have a triangle. Okay, if I will divide into 2 parts, number of triangles will be 1, 2, and that will be 3. So there is a method you can write 1 plus 2 will be 3. Okay, if I have a triangle and I will divide. And let's suppose I'm talking about sphere. In a sphere, if you see there, if I will join the diagonals 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 triangles are there. But after 4, you can see that will be your number 5 triangles, number 6, number 7, number 8. Okay, so we will count these 2 methods here. If you see there, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and that will number 5 triangle is there. This will be number 6 triangles will be there. Okay, you can also write separately 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 plus 2 is making a 1 triangle. 1 plus 3 is making a 1 triangle. 2 plus 4 is making 1 triangle. And 3 plus 4 is making 1 triangle. Right, everyone? Like this 3 plus 4 and 2 plus 4 is also making. Okay, after that, if you see there, this small portion, okay, I'm highlighting with this one. This is, let's suppose this is a 5, this is a 6, because I have altogether taken now a triangle 2. 2 is made up of 5 and 6. Like this, I have only line there. So 3 is made up of 7 and 8, right? So like this, I have a triangle 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so how many triangles can you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of triangles are there in a 12. So my answer will be 12 here. Clear? I'm coming to now next question. What is my next question? Find the missing term in a given pattern. This is a E, I, M, U, Y. Alphabets 5, 9, 13. With alphabets, I'm able to see directly. It is a 5 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. I have to check the pattern. Okay, it should follow all the steps. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 4 should be 17. So it means I will eliminate these 2 answers. My answer will be out of this. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 4 will be 21. If I will see what is the pattern between E and I. If you see there, E, F, G, H, I. So E plus 4 is a I, right? And after I, if you do see that, J, K, L, M. That is a fourth letter plus 4, right? After L, N, O, P, Q. So that should be my Q. Clear? So that should be my Q17. Q17 means D option should be my answer here. After that, you can also check Q, R, S, T, U. So that's correct. V, W, X, Y. That will also correct. Clear? Next question. Some letters are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the combination of numbers so that the given letters are arranged accordingly to form meaningful English word. TIICLH. So I think I should set a number. That will be word is my lychee. LITCHI. Right? That is my meaningful word. L means L stands for 5. T stands for 1. T stands for 1. Okay. I stands for here. I stands for 2 and 3, right? 2 will come here. Let's suppose and 3 will come here. I will check according to the options here. Okay. In a 5 doors there. Okay. Then it will be 1. After that, C. C will be 4. Okay. After that, H. H will be 6. Okay. So 4, 2, 1. 4, 6, 3. It is a I. I will be 3 here. Okay. So let's suppose I'm not taking this one because I'm not ending with a 3. So that's definitely this I and this I both have the 2 and 3. So I can choose any I here. So if I'm doing here 5, 3, then it is a 1, then it is a 4, right? Then it is a 6. Instead of 6, I can use 2 here, right? So that's why 5, 3, 1, 4, 6, 2. That will be option C. And let's suppose you are not able to get the word, which is the meaningful word here. So what can you do? I can put my positions here and check will it make meaningful word or not. Okay, if you see there, that is a L, that is a I, T, C, H, I. Yes, I'm able to see that. Okay, next question. In which of the following option the given figure exactly embedded as a part? What do you understand by embedded? Embedded means just a part. Okay, exactly. So I have to check where can you see this part. Okay, I think we can see in the A part. Yes, this is standing line. This is this line. Yes, standing line is there, but not this line is there. Standing is there, but not diagonal is there. Not standing complete is there. So that's why B, C, D can't be my option. A should be my answer here. Coming to the next, there is a definite relationship between figures P and Q. Establish a relationship, similar relationship between figure and R and S by selecting a suitable figure from the options that would replace the question mark in figure S. Okay, if you see here, what is given? If you see one dot is my here, position of the dot, I need to check it here. In this question, I need to check the positions as well. Okay, so if you see there from first figure to second, it will just they are taking this point, this dot will there. So this dot, so dot should end with this one. Clear? So that will be my first one. So if I'm ending with this one, so either A or B option will be there, C and D can't be there. Okay, now if you see there, that's my figure. Okay, if I will check if it is in a sleeping line, after that it is a standing line. So middle element, so you can say that it will rotate it 1/4, okay, and anti-clockwise, right? It is an anti-clockwise. So that should be the same position. It should be anti-clockwise. And if I will find in an anti-clockwise, this position will standing position. So it will be A option will be my answer. Clear? Coming to next, how many different possible combination of badminton, racket and one shuttlecock. Racket can be formed from these given badmintons and shuttlecocks. Okay, so if you see there with this racket, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shuttlecocks. In a second racket, I have also 5 shuttlecocks. Third racket, 5. Fourth racket, 5. So answer will be 20. And you can use the direct formula for that. Number of rackets are 4, number of shuttlecocks are 5. So 4 5s are 20. 20 will be my answer. Coming to next one. If tongue is called nose, nose is called foot, and foot is called finger, and then with which a person breathes. Okay, if you see there, a person breathes through nose, right? But what is nose called here? This is a part of a substitution coding. What is nose called? Nose called a foot. So my answer will be foot because I have to consider the next one. So my answer will be foot here. Okay, coming to next one now. Which of the following squares must be shaded so that the given figure has a line of symmetry? Okay, so whenever this type of questions will be there, generally we will start. If you see there, I can directly see that here should be vertical line of symmetry because generally in this and this part will be there. So you can check vertically, horizontally, diagonally as well. Okay, so vertically, because I can see there two parts are shaded there, two parts are shaded there, one shaded, right? Because symmetry means both the portions should be same. They have exactly mirror image of each other. So I have, if you see there, unshaded, 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 no issue. Same, two shaded are there, two shaded are there, same. One shaded is there, one shaded is there. One shaded is there, but it is not shaded. So if I will shade this part, right, then this figure is exactly symmetrical. So my R should be shaded to make a line of symmetry. Clear? Coming to next question now. Next question is also a pattern question, but in a figures. Okay, so which of the following option will complete the given figure pattern? Okay, I have to complete this pattern, right? So let's see there. I will choose the blue color to make it easy for you. Okay, so this line will be there. Fine. Now, if you see there, one triangle is shaded here. This should be unshaded, right? This should be unshaded. Okay, after that, this should be unshaded, right? Okay, after that, what should be there? If I will join this line, yes, this line and this line, fine. One is shaded, one is unshaded. So definitely it should be shaded, right? And definitely it should be unshaded. So unshaded, shaded, and both are triangles. So option D should be my answer here. Clear, everyone? So by this we can draw and get it. Okay, coming to now my next question. Okay. Now, if I will see my next question, find the correct mirror image of the given figure. It is a 7, so 7 should be like this one. 2, so okay. So 2 should be like this one, but with the same part. Okay, you can see that. 5, so 5 should be like this one. Okay, so that's why it should be like this one. So if I'm seeing there 7 with the red color, okay, all 7 are of mirror image. T is not there, so I will leave it. 2, so 2 is here, mirror image of 2 is here, mirror image, 2 is mirror image is there, so I will just ignore it now. So after that 5, there is no 5 in mirror image, 5 of mirror image in a B option. So that's why B will be my answer. Clear? Now we will start another section that will be mathematical reasoning. Okay, by the previous question, we have completed our logical reasoning. So in next question, find the perimeter of the given figure. What do you understand by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the boundary. That is called perimeter. So I will start the boundary here. 1, 2. Okay, if you see the every boundary is 3 centimeter. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15, 3, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Right? I have completed my figure. So that's why my answer will be 36 here. Okay. Coming to next question. What fraction of the figure is shaded here? Okay. So how many total parts can you see there? How many total number of squares can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times number of rows are 4. So total number of squares will be 28. Now I have to check. Fraction means numerator upon denominator. Numerator tell us what we are talking about. They are talking about shaded part. So I will count all the shaded part. For that, first of all, I will count the full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 full squares are there. Okay, full squares will be 12. Now I'm talking about how many half squares are there. How many half squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it means 16 halves are there. 16 half will make 8 full squares, right? So 8 full are there, 12 full are there. Total number of shaded are 20 squares out of 28, right? So that will be my 20 by 28. But in this question, out of 20 by 28, it is not from the option. So what can I do? I can reduce from, I can change it to reduce from. Both are divided with the 4. So if I will divide with the 4, I am getting 4 5s are 27. 5 by 7 will be my answer. Okay. 5 by 7 means option D should be my answer. Okay. Now I'm coming to next question. Rizal has falling 4 jars of marbles. How many total number of marbles Rizal had? Okay. In a jar 1, this number of marbles. Jar 2, this one. Jar 3, this one. Jar 4, this one. Then when rounded off to nearest hundreds, I have to round it off to nearest 100. First, I will find the result. Total number of marbles will be 4375, 1872, 3488, and 1937. Okay. 5 to 7, 7, 8, 15, 15 and 7, 22. 2 will be carried forward. 2, 7, 9, 9, 7, 16, 16, 8, 24, 24 and 3, 27. 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 8, 13. 13 and 4 is my 17, 17 and 9 is my 26. 2, 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, 3, 10 and 1, 11. That will be 11,672 will be the total number of marbles. But after that, they are talking about I have to round it off to nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. So you will see it is nearest to 11,600 or 11,700. If I will check their gap. So definitely it will be nearest to 11,700. So my answer will be 11,700. Okay, so coming to next question. What is my next question now? If Soumya was to pour whole water from jug into glasses. Okay, this was the jug. Its capacity, the water in that is a 3 liter, 200 ml. Okay. Into a glasses, or I have to convert into glasses. Okay, just like these glasses. How many glasses I need if there is a 1 glass 400 ml is there? So, okay. Whenever they are talking about number of glasses, number of objects, I have to find, I have to do division with the total volume. What is the total capacity? That is a 3 liter 200 milliliter. I will convert 3 liter into milliliter. So that will be 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 3 liter will become 3000 milliliter plus 200. It will become total is 3200 milliliter. Now they are talking about number of glasses. Number of glasses will be total is 3200 and capacity of a glass or you can say that is a 400 ml. So I will divide. So number of glasses 4 8 is 32. So that's why number of glasses are required is 8 here. Clear? 15th question. The number shown on the abacus is written as. If you see the abacus line, they have given the national because L stands for lakh, Indian value system. Okay, so L is there. I have to count the number of beads here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. That's a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5. So I can write 2, 4, 3, 7, 1, 5. 2,43,715. Where can you see that? 2 lakhs. Okay, check my answer. 2,43,715. So option C should be my answer. Clear? Next question. The bar graph given below represents the marks scored by 4 students in a test. Okay. Study it carefully and answer the following question. Is this Arun, Akash, Anil, Rupali? They have given the marks scored by the students here. Okay. If you check, what are they talking? How many marks scored by Arun? I will check with this figure. So that will be 60. Akash, 90. Anil, 80. And Rupali is between 60 to 70, 65. Okay, which two students scored a total of 125 marks? If I will add Rupali and Anil marks, Rupali is 65 and Anil is 80. So that will be 145. Arun and Anil. Arun is my 60, Anil is 80, 140. Akash and Arun. Akash is my 90, Arun is my 60, that will be 150. Rupali and Arun. Rupali is 65, Arun is 60, 125. So which two students scored a total of 125 marks? That will be Rupali and Arun. So option D will be my answer. Next question. The smallest number of squares that must be shaded so that the figure has a line of symmetry is. I have to find line of symmetry. And smallest number. So I will check for the, let's suppose I'm checking for the vertically. If I'm checking for the vertically, so you can see there, here it should be shaded, it should be shaded, it should be shaded, it should be shaded, it should be shaded. So that's why, so number of squares will be more, you can see there, right? Let's suppose in a smallest generally number of squares, I have to take diagonally line of symmetry. Okay, like this, I can go for horizontally as well. Like this, I can go for vertically as well. Let's try with the vertically. And if you see there, in everywhere number of squares you will find, but they are talking about the smallest number of squares that I need to check it here. Okay, so if I'm checking the diagonally, it is shaded. It is shaded, so it should be shaded. Okay, fine. I will shade this one. Now, if you see there, it is already unshaded. It is shaded, so it should be shaded, right? So I will shade this figure as well. Okay, unshaded, unshaded, shaded, so it should be shaded, right? So I will shade this figure as well. Rest of the parts, I can see it is already shaded. So my 3 squares should be shaded to make it a line of symmetry. Got it? So I can check for the horizontally as well, vertically as well, diagonally as well, in which smallest number of squares should be shaded. That will be my answer. Next one. How many multiples of 15 are there between 95 and 185? Okay, 95 and 185. So in that question, how many multiples of 15 are there in 95 and 185? So in this question, I have to go for this one. I have to check. Okay. So between means I will not count. Okay. Between means how many multiples of 15 I will, between means I have to leave 95 and 185 as well. Okay. So if I will check, so how many are between? 15 multiples of 15, so I need to count the 15 table. So after 95, it will be 105, right? It will be 120, it will be 135, it will be 150, it will be 165, it will be 180. Okay, so That's why it will be my 180. So now I have to count. After that, I have to reach now these things because I can't count 95 and 185. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer should be 6 here. Okay. So after that, now I'm coming to my next question where will by this. Okay. Now I'm on the 19th question. We have completed 18 question. How many multiples are there in the 95 and 85? We have already done that. Now I'm coming to next question. What is the weight of the marble P? Okay. So I have given the weight of the marble P and Q here. What is the weight of marble P and Q here? That will be between 600 to 800. 4 gaps are there. So it means every gap stands for 50-50. So that will be 650. That will be 650. Okay. So in this question, it will be 650. And if I'm coming to R and S, that will be 600. Okay. And if I'm coming to this one, P plus R plus S, that will be 850. Right, everyone? Okay, so we can do now. But they are talking about the marble P. Okay, marble P. So it means if I will subtract now, I have given what is given. P and Q is given. R and S is given. P, R and S is given. So if I will subtract R and S from it, I will get the value of P. That's correct, right? So 850 minus 600. So 250 grams will be my answer of variable P. Clear? That will be 255 grams. Coming to next, find the missing number. That is a factor 3. Because 18 is a made up of, it is a multiple of 3 and 6. 3 6 is 18. Okay, after that 6. 6 is a 3 2 is 6. So 2 will be my answer. Okay, by that we have completed our mathematical reasoning. Okay, now I'm coming to my next section, that is a everyday mathematics. What is actually everyday mathematics? Everyday mathematics in which everyday routines work is there. What will we do with the numbers? We are adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and so on. So this type of questions will be there. There are 4,758 men, 3,978 women, and 2,650 children in a village. What is the total population of the village? What do you understand by total? Total means I have to add, right? So men are 4,758. Women are 3,978. 2,650. I will add. 8, 8, 16, 1, 1, 5, 6, 6, 7, 13, 13, 5, 18, 1, 1, 7, 8, 8, 9, 17, 17, and 6 will be 23, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, and 2 is a 11, 11,386. Simple addition is there. Last year, Karthik celebrated his 18th birthday. Last year. Okay. So it means present year, he is of 19 years old, right? Because last year it was his, if I'm talking about first line, last year Karthik age was 18 years. So this year Karthik age is 19 years. This year his brother is Swastik, is twice as old as Karthik. So what will be Swastik age? This year he will be twice. Twice of 19 will be 19 times 2. 38 years. How old will be Swastik in 5 years' time? After 5 years, it will be more, right? So I have to add it. So after 5 years, so I will add 5 to it. So after 5 years, Swastik age will be 38 plus 5, that will be 43 years. Okay, so 43 years will be my answer. If they will ask you before 5 years, before 5 years ago, I will subtract it. After 5 years, I have to add it. Coming to next one now. For a project, Simi cut a piece of paper into shape of with 4 sides, but none of them of same length. So if none of them of same length, so 4-sided figure are called, 4-sided closed figure are called always quadrilaters, right? They can be square as well. Clear? They can be rectangle as well, right? But in this case, they are saying none of them of same length. If say all of them same length, so it will be square. But they are saying none of them are same length, so square can't be my answer. Rectangle can't be my answer. So only quadrilateral will be my answer. And pentagon will be 5-sided figures. So that's why pentagon can't be my answer. Okay, coming to next. Vedika plans to read a book of 2,470 pages. Okay, total number of pages will be 2,470. She reads 26 pages in one day. In how many days she will read the complete book? Okay, if she reads equal number of pages every day, one day pages she has read 26, second day 26, and so on. We are talking about number of days. I told you in our previous question, if I have to find number of things, number of sets, number of days, I have to do division with the total. 2470 divided with the 26 will be my answer. Okay, to make it easy, I can convert into a reduced form. Otherwise, if you want to go for the 26 table, you can use 26 table as well. But let's suppose I'm taking it all coming in a 2 table. So it will be 13, 2 table, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so it is a 1,235. I will divide with the 13. 13 table, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, like so on. So I can see that 13 nines is 117. That is a 65, and 13 fives is 65. So that's why 95 will be my answer here. Okay, next one now. Kaushal spent 5 by 10 of his monthly salary on house rent. Okay, house rent. He spent 5 by 10 of the salary. 3 by 10 on the groceries. Okay, on grocery, he spent 3 by 10 and saved the rest. Out of 10 part, if you see that 5 part out of 10, 3 part out of 10, how much total money he spent? That's a 5 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Denominator are same, so 8 by 10. 8 by 10. What do you understand by 8 by 10? Out of 10 parts, 8 parts he already spent. I will make the figure like this one, 10 parts. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is 1 part, 2 part, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Out of 10 part, if you see there, he spent 8 parts. Okay, he spent all 8 parts. So how many parts are left? You can see that 2 parts are left, right? So 2 out of 10 was saved in a month. 2 out of 10 is not from this option. When not in this option, I have to go for the simplest form of a fraction. Are they coming in any single table? Yes, they are. Both are coming in a table of 2. So I will divide with the 2. I am getting 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 will be my answer here. Clear? Now I'm coming to my next question. Mrs. Sharma bought 225 meter, 18 centimeter of a cloth from shop B. 212 meter, 20 centimeter of cloth from shop Q. 150 meter, 5 centimeter shop from R. What is the total length she bought from all the shops? So total length, I have to add it. From shop P, he has taken meter, centimeter, I will convert. 225, 18. From Q, that will be 212, 20. From R, it will be 140, 5 centimeter. If I have to write 5, so I have to write 0.5. These things you have to keep in your mind. Otherwise, your answer will you get it wrong. Okay. So 5, if you write 50, it will become 50 centimeter. So they are talking about 5 centimeters, it will be 0. Add it, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1. 1, 1, 2 and 2 is 4, 43 centimeter. 5 and 2, 7. 2, 1, 3, 4, 7. 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. So 577 meter, 43 centimeter will be my answer. Now coming to question number 27. Niharika has rupees 1500. She wants to purchase 18 sacks of rice as shown. How much more money does she need? Okay. She wants to purchase 18 sacks of rice. Okay. Sack means just this bag. And one sack of a rice is 120. Okay. Cost of one sack of rice is equal to 120. Niharika wants to buy 18 sacks. So what is the cost of 18 sacks? 18 times of 120. Okay, 0, 18 to the 36, 3. That's the 2160 rupees. Okay, Niharika has 1500. So it means he's just short of some money. She's in short of some money. How much money she's in short of? 0, 6, 11 minus 5. It means she needs, okay, 660 more rupees to purchase 18 sacks of rice. So 660 will be my answer. Coming to next one now. Harshit won exactly 3 by 5 of the ribbons for first place. What do you understand by this line? First place, it means at a first position, 3 by 5 of fraction should be there. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts of first position will be there. Which of the following can be my answer? Which of the following could be the groups of ribbons Harshit won? 3 parts, first position, 2 parts. So yes, 3 by 5 is there. Right? If you see there 1, 2, 3, 4, here first position is 4 by 5. Okay, here 1, 2, 2 by 5. Here you can see there 1, 2, 3. 3 are the first, but in this case, every time it will be different. So I can also count that. That's the 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that's okay. So, but yes, with the first option, I'm getting my answer. 3 by 5 will be my this one. 29. Ramya bought the given microwave. This is my microwave. What is the number name? That is a 28,475 rupees, right? They are talking about the number names only. So if I say ones place, 8,475. That is a ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, and 10,000 place. So 28,475. So 28,475, where I can get my answer? 28,475. D will be my answer. Okay, clear? This is a 28,800. So that's 20,800. So that can't be my answer. 280, that can't be my answer. That can't be my answer. Okay. Okay, by this, now we have the next question. After that, we are going to complete our next section as well. A rectangular playground. Okay, a rectangular playground is there. Okay, 150-meter long. Okay, and 80-meter wide. Fine. What distance did Kashi cover in going 5 times around? Okay, she has started from here. She has started from here taking round like this. She will go around this one round. So 1 round meets its perimeter, right? Because that's a boundary. So 1 round meets its boundary. So it means distance covered in 1 round. That's will its boundary. Or boundary means add all the sides or 2 times of length plus breadth. So that's the 2 times of 150 plus 80. That will be my 2 times of 230, 460 meter. That is a distance covered in 1 round. Okay, but they are talking about distance covered in 5 times. So 5 times means I will multiply with the 5, right? Because they are talking about 5 rounds. So 0, 5, 6 are 33, 5, 4s are 20, and 3 is 23. That will be meter, 2300 meter. If I will convert into kilometer, 2 kilometer, 300 meter will be my answer. Clear? Okay, by this we have completed our 3 sections, which were logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, and everyday mathematics. Now I'm coming to my main important section, that is the achiever section. And only in this section we have to just understand it carefully what they are talking about. Select the incorrect option. They are talking about incorrect. They are asking for the incorrect. Okay, not correct. A square has all 4 sides equal. Yes, we know that. It has 4 sides equal. It is a correct option. So that's why it can't be minus. A rectangular has 2 lines of symmetry. Yes, rectangle has 2 lines of vertical and symmetry. This is also correct option. So that's why it can't be my answer. A figure which has the same starting point and ending point. It is called a closed figure. Yes, same starting and same ending. Yes, it will become a closed figure. So this can't be my answer. Diameter, so definitely it is going to be our answer, but I will read this. Diameter of a circle is always less than its radius. No. What is the radius? Okay, let's suppose I have started here. Okay, let's suppose I'm holding any rope. Okay, I have taken one end of the rope and I have given you one end of the rope, and you are just taking around me. That will be my radius. Okay, from here, from here, from here, that will be my radius. And what is diameter? Diameter is double of the radius. Diameter will be double of the radius. So diameter will be more than its radius now. So that's why it is an incorrect option. So that's why this will be my answer. Coming to next one now. Find the sum of the shaded fraction of the given figure. Shaded fraction I have to count. So I will count in a first part, shaded fraction, second part, then I will add it because there are given 2 figures. How many shaded are there? First I will count the full squares. 1, 2. 2 full squares are there. How many half? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 half means 3 full. So total shaded in this figure are 5 out of total. Total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's a 5 by 14. First, I will count the total one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here are also total are 14. But what are the shaded here? 1, 2. Count the full one first. 3. That will be 3. How many halves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 halves means 4, 4. So that will be 7 by 14. So 5 by 14 plus 7 by 14, right? Because they are talking about sum. Sum means I have to add it. 5 by 14 plus 7 by 14. It will become 12 by 14. Sorry, it will be 14. 12 by 14 is not not from the option. So what should I do? I have to check. I have to go for its reduced form or simplest form. Both are coming in a 2 table. So I will divide with the 2. So that will be 6 by 7. So option B should be my answer, 6 by 7. Okay, that's coming to my next question. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. LCM of 24 and 48 is P. What is LCM? LCM is least common multiples. Right. First, I will find the multiples of 24 and 8. So multiples of 24 will be 24 table. 24, 24 to the 48, 24 to the 72, 24 for the 96, and so on. If I'm talking about multiples of 48, so 48 tables, 48 times 1, 48 times 2, 48 times 3, 48 times so on. If I have to find now common multiple, so what is a common here? Common, I can see 48 and 96, right? What can I see? 96, 48, and so on. 48, 96, and so on. Because multiples of any number are infinite, and so on. And what is least among them? Least among them is a 48. So that will be my LCM. So LCM of 24 and 48 is a 48. So either B or C should be my answer. I will eliminate other 2 options. Number of factors of 124. 124. Factors means in which table they are coming. Okay. So if I will divide, every one is a factor of every number. So 1 into 124. If I will divide with the 2, I am getting 62. If I'm dividing with the 3, it is not possible. Dividing with the 4, I am coming 31. Dividing with the 5 is not possible. 6, not possible. 7, tell me, can you divide? It is a 7 is possible. 7 ones are 7, 5, 54 is not possible. Okay, is 8 is possible? Not possible. 9, not. 10, not. 11, not. No. 12, not 30. So it is coming in a 31 into 4. So repetition has started. So these are the factors. 1, 2, 4, 31, 62, 64. They are talking about number of factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of factors are 6 here. So 48, 6. So 48, 6. So C should be my answer. But I will check the another one. Highest common factor, HCF. Highest common factor of 12 and 32. I will find the factors of 12. Factors of 12 will be, it is coming in a 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3. So repetition has started. If I'm talking about factors of 12, so you will say it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. If I'm talking about like this method, I can go for the factors of 32. And factors of 32, 1, it is coming in a 1, then 2, okay, then it is a 4, it is coming in a 4 table, it is coming in a 8 table, it is coming in a 16 table, it is coming in a 32, right? So what are the factors? Common factors. Common is 1 here, 2 here, right? 4 here, right? 1 to 4. Can you see any other? No. So what is highest among 1 to 4? 4 is the highest among them. So it means highest common factor is 4 here. Clear, everyone? Okay, coming to next question. So C should be, if you see there, C should be my answer. 48, 6 and 4. Okay. Next one is interesting question as well. It is a question of data handling. The given bar graph represents the milk flavors liked by the students of a class. Study the graph carefully, answer the following questions. Okay. They have given number of students and the students who like different type of milk flavors. Badam flavor is liked by 20 students. Chocolate flavor is liked by 10 students. Rose is liked by 20. Badam is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be 50. Then it will be 30. Pista is liked by 30 students and Kesar is liked by 40 students. Which milk flavor is liked by exactly 40 students? That will be Kesar, right? So Kesar. Either C or D will be my answer. How many students like rose, badam, and pista flavor? Rose is 20. Rose is liked by 20 students. Badam is liked by 50 students. Pista is liked by 30 students. So that will be 100, right? 2, 5, 7, 3, 10. So it means Kesar and 100. Kesar and 100. So option D should be my answer. It is one of my favorite topic. Okay, so last topic and last question of this paper, that is to find the perimeter of the given figure. Perimeter means boundary. So for boundary, I need to find all the sides first. Okay, so I have to check only outer boundary. So it is a 4. So opposite is 8 because it is a rectangle. So opposite side should be equal. Opposite should be 12 as well. 12, 4. So definitely it is going to be 8, right? Clear, everyone? 8 plus 4 is a 12. So it will be 8. It is a 6, so it should be 6. My first step should be find all the sides. Okay. If you see there, total is 18, in which 4 is there. So definitely it is going to be 14, right? So 14 plus 4 is a 18. Okay. And now I'm left with this side. So Q2 is equal to 5, right? Now I have found all my sides if you see there. Now what I have to do? I have to add all the sides. Okay. I will start from here. 5 centimeter plus. Now I'm going to take this side, that is a 12. Now I'm going to take this side, that is a 5. Now I'm going to take this side, that is a 14. Now I'm going to take this side, that is a 6. Now I'm going to take this side, that is a 18. Now I'm going to take this side, that is a 6. I'm going to take this side, that is a 8. I have already taken that 5. Okay, let's count now. So if I will count now, 5, 5 and 5, 5, 10, 10, 12, 22. 22 and 14 is my 36. 36 and 6 is my 42. 42 my 18 is 60. 60 plus 6 is 66. 66 plus 8 is 74. 74 centimeters. So option A should be my answer. Clear, everyone? By this, we have completed our achiever section as well.